Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Oral B Floss Action is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your daily oral hygiene routine, transforming a mundane task into a powerful plaque-fighting experience that leaves your mouth feeling exceptionally clean and fresh, ensuring you maintain that dentist-clean feeling every single day without the need for manual flossing. Number 5. Oral B Braun Compatible Replacement Brush Heads. Are you looking for high-quality replacement heads for your Oral B electric toothbrush? These heads are designed to seamlessly fit a wide range of Oral B models, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. This pack provides you with 20 professional-grade brush heads. It offers exceptional value, ensuring you have a fresh supply for an extended period. Experience a thorough and effective clean with every brush. They are crafted to reach every corner of your mouth, removing plaque and promoting gum health. They are compatible with numerous Oral B Pro Series models, including the 500, 1000, 1500, 3000, 3757, 5000, 7000, 7500, and 8000. This broad compatibility ensures you can easily find the right fit for your device. Each head is built with durable bristles that effectively clean without being harsh on your gums. They maintain their cleaning efficacy throughout their recommended use. Replacing your old brush head is quick and effortless. Simply snap them on and off for a hassle-free experience, keeping your brushing routine consistent. Invest in your oral hygiene with these reliable replacement heads. They help you maintain a bright smile and healthy gums, making your daily routine more effective. What we like? This option offers an incredible bulk value, ensuring you're stocked for a long time. If you're looking for maximum quantity and a professional level clean without frequent reordering, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for large families or those who prefer to buy in bulk and save. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the requirement to quote from original content. Number 4. Aster Replacement Toothbrush Heads for Oral B Electric Brushes. Discover high-quality replacement heads designed to seamlessly fit your Oral B electric toothbrush. These ensure a consistent and effective cleaning experience every time you brush. They are compatible with popular models like the 7000, Pro 1000, 9600, 5000, 3000, and 8000 series. You can easily upgrade your brushing routine without hassle. Each purchase includes a convenient 16-pack, providing excellent value. This ensures you have a fresh supply of brush heads for an extended period. Experience the reliable performance of Aster toothbrush heads. They are crafted to deliver a thorough and gentle clean, helping you maintain optimal oral health. Replacing your old brush head is quick and effortless. Just click them into place for a secure fit, ready to provide a refreshing clean. What we like? This 16-pack from Aster provides a solid balance of quantity and quality. Its design focuses on effective plaque removal for a thorough clean. If you value a reliable compatible brand and need a good supply for consistent oral hygiene, this pack is a strong contender. What people say. No suitable positive reviews with detailed product works, design, function, feature facts were found in the provided source. No additional helpful points could be extracted from the empty source content. Number 3. Oral B Compatible Replacement Toothbrush Heads. Are you looking to refresh your brushing routine? These replacement heads offer a perfect fit for your Oral B electric toothbrush, ensuring a consistent clean every time. Designed for a wide range of Oral B models, they work flawlessly with Pro 1000, 2000, 3000, 500, Vitality, and Genius X series. You can trust them to integrate perfectly with your existing device. Each pack contains 16 high-quality toothbrush heads, providing exceptional value and convenience. You'll have a fresh supply for an extended period, saving you time and money. These heads come in a stylish black color, complementing the modern aesthetic of many electric toothbrushes. They not only perform great but also look good. Regular replacement of your brush heads is crucial for effective plaque removal and gum health. With these, you can easily maintain peak performance for a truly clean mouth. What we like? Stand out with these sleek black replacement heads, adding a touch of style to your brushing routine. If you appreciate aesthetics and want your toothbrush to match your bathroom decor, these are perfect. They offer the same great cleaning performance with a unique visual appeal. What people say. Number 2. Oral B Braun compatible toothbrush heads. Looking for fresh brush heads for your Oral B electric toothbrush? These professional replacement heads are designed to fit perfectly. They offer a superior cleaning experience, just like the originals. You get a generous pack of 10 replacement heads, ensuring you're stocked for a long time. This offers great value without compromising on quality. Keep your smile bright and healthy. These heads are fully compatible with a wide range of Oral B models. Whether you have a Pro 1000, 7000, 9600, or other popular series, they will fit your device. Enjoy hassle-free replacement. Experience a professional-level clean every time you brush. Their advanced bristles effectively remove plaque and promote gum health. They help maintain your oral hygiene standards. Replacing your old brush head is quick and easy. Simply snap them on for a secure fit. Maintain optimal brushing performance with minimal effort. With 10 heads in one pack, you won't need to worry about running out soon. Each head is built for effective cleaning over its lifespan. Keep your brushing routine consistent. What we like? This 10-piece set offers a practical quantity for individual users or smaller households. It delivers a professional clean, targeting plaque effectively. If you're looking for a moderate supply with consistent performance without overstocking, this pack is a sensible option. What people say. Number 1. Oral B Floss Action Replacement Brush Heads. Elevate your daily brushing routine with these advanced brush heads. They are meticulously designed to deliver a comprehensive and superior clean, reaching every corner of your mouth. Featuring unique micropulse bristles, they work to penetrate deep between teeth. This innovative design provides a floss-like cleaning action, promoting healthier gums and a fresher feel. Enjoy a powerful plaque removal experience without compromising on gentleness. They are engineered to be tough on plaque but soft on your gums, ensuring a comfortable clean every time. Swapping out your old brush head is incredibly simple and quick. Just click them onto your compatible Oral B electric toothbrush to maintain optimal performance. Regular replacement ensures your electric toothbrush continues to perform at its best. Keep your smile bright and your oral hygiene at its peak with fresh brush heads. What we like? These genuine Oral B Floss Action heads are engineered for a deep, interdental clean, reaching areas between teeth. If you prioritize superior plaque removal and a floss-like clean, this is your go-to. It's ideal for those seeking the authentic Oral B experience and advanced cleaning technology. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.